Hi, this is Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. We're going to be repairing a ring today that lost a stone. It's missing a stone right here, so we got a couple things going on. It's a little out of round, and when rings get out of round that have this kind of design, the side stones could become loose, and that could cause the stones to not have as good of coverage by the prongs, and then the stone can come out. So we're going to make this ring back to its original circular shape instead of being oval. And then this is going to be our stone that we're going to be putting in. Whenever something like this happens, you could just measure the other side if the stone is present. And we found out that it was 2 millimeters, and that's what we're going to be putting over here. We have our ring, and we cut out a little bit more material to make sure that the stone will fit in there a little bit deeper. And then what we're going to do is put the stone in, and then we're going to reshape, and then we're going to retip the ring. So we put the stone in, and right now you can see that there's a little bit of a lip now. So now we can bring in the metal a little bit, and that'll lock the stone in more so, and then we can round over it. Okay, so we have our ring now. We're gonna make it round now. So it's kind of an ovally shape. If you look, there's a gap here, and that out of roundness is going to cause the metal to kind of like be not as in good contact with the stones, and that's why the original one likely came out. Plus a little bit of wear, but we'll fix both of those problems. So we're going to use our little mallet, and we're going to stretch this up a little bit and make it round again. We've reshaped this ring, so now it's more of a circle, and as a result of doing that, the metal has been brought closer to the stone, and this stone's already kind of like tightened up already. And my other one, it is still a little bit loose. There's a little bit more wear on the prongs, and we'll just put a little bit of fresh metal on it and then finish up tightening. We have our prongs retipped, so there's plenty of material now, and basically the prongs are restored. These ones here, where there's like 2 prongs out of 1, what we'll do is we'll cut it down a little bit, and then we're going to split them in half so that way it looks like the rest of the ring. The bottoms basically they kind of look like a single prong, but then it's got the termination of the stone section and the beginning of the shank. We split the prongs, and we've done all the metal work at this point. So now the next step is to polish everything up and make sure all the stones are tight, and that's it. Yep, so we have our stone in there. We redid the prongs, so now there's a little bit more meat in there, and everything's all polished up. All right, this was Eric with ForgeCon Conclusions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. That would be greatly appreciated. All right, take care. Bye.